10.01 Glue how to set 20:2 is also 10:1. (30:3 is also 10:1, but the speed of glue out is faster. The smaller the value, the less glue will come out. The second is to control the moving speed of the working head. The slower the working head moves, the more glue will be glued in the port area. The faster the working head moves, the less glue is used. This is the programming control handle. This button is reset, press it down, and the working head will return to the original point. This is reset. This is to start. Read the program, press start, and the machine is running. How to disassemble the glue mixing pipe. When the glue is weighed, the glue mixing pipe needs to be disassembled. The method of installing the mixing pipe, please observe carefully. Then using the tool, tighten the bolt. End of installation.